Hey guys, happy Thursday. So, today we are going to talk about fixed and variable expenses. Okay, now let's start on the blue slide. Let me see if I can get it to go. There we go. Now, I want you to watch this video from Pearson. So, what you're going to do is you're just going to click, and then you see this pop up on the bottom. You are going to click on this, and it's going to take you straight to the Pearson video. I want you to watch this video because it explains fixed and variable expenses. Now, I also attached the BrainPOP video. Now, you may click on this and watch it. I recommend you do, but this one is optional, okay? And if you're wanting to watch it and it asks you for a password, this is what you need to log in. BrainPOP login. It is 4 and 4. Okay, and I will include this on the slide for those of you that need to write it down. Now, let's go to the green slide. So, the first thing we need to know is the definition of an expense. An expense is when you spend money on items or things. So, going to H-E-B, that's an expense. Putting gas in your car, that's an expense. Buying brand new tennis shoes, that's an expense. Now, there are two types of expenses, okay? So let's focus on the fixed expenses. A fixed expense is it's something that's going to occur on a regular basis, okay? Something that occurs on a regular basis. So an example would be rent or mortgage, okay? Rent would be what you're paying on an apartment. That's the same amount of money you're going to pay every month. Mortgage, which you're going to pay every month, okay? Rent and mortgages don't go away. You don't just pay 1 month and you don't have to pay the next month. You have to pay every month. Car payments, that is something that you have to pay every month, okay? If you pay 1 month and you don't pay the next month, you're skipping payments, and that's a big no-no. Salaries, so paychecks. Paychecks would be fixed expenses. It's something that's going to occur regularly, okay? So salaries is, so example, Miss Montoya gets paid a salary, okay? So on which means I get a set amount of money every month for being a teacher, okay? That's something I can expect to hit my account regularly. Same thing with your parents. They get paid regularly, so this would be a fixed expense. It's something they expect every month. Electric bill. It is something that you have to pay every month. When I say electric bill, guys, I'm talking about our CPS bill. That is something that your parents have to pay monthly. Okay? Now, let's look at variable expenses. Variable expenses is something that does not occur on a regular basis. So, a variable expense would be something that you may not do every month. For example, car repairs. You may not need to have your car repaired every month. You shouldn't. Okay? So, for example, Miss Montoya's car, if she gets an oil change in November, I am not going to get another oil change until maybe June. Okay? So, car repairs would be like oil changes, tire rotations, okay? That is something you would do periodically, not something you do monthly. Okay? Movie tickets. Okay? Movie tickets is a variable expense. Movie tickets is not something you do every month. Now, I can hear some of you, I go to the movies every month. Yes, but this is not part of your monthly budget, okay? So going to the movies it's not something that's going to occur every month. It's going to randomly occur. It could occur in May, it could occur in July, okay? Shoes and clothes. This is when you're going shopping every month. So every month okay, so shoes and clothes means you're buying it every month on the same day, every month, and you're not, okay? When you get new shoes or new clothes, it's a random surprise. It's not like, oh, it's Monday, the 1st of May, I need to get a new outfit. Every Monday, the 1st of May, I get a new outfit. No, that's not how this works. This is random, okay? Roof repairs. You may not need to repair your roof, but maybe every 10 years. So it's not something that's going to happen every month. Video games, purchasing video games, that is not something you do every month. It may happen here or there, okay? So in other words, this happens every month, the same day on every month, okay? So like my rent is due on the 1st of every month. My car payment is due on the 15th of every month. I get paid on the last Friday of every month, okay? I have to pay my CPS bill by the 8th of every month. So fixed expenses means you have a due date that it is due on every month. So that's why it occurs on a regular basis. You know by the date you need to pay. So credit card payments would be here. You have to pay it by this day. Variable expenses can happen at random, and it's not something that you need to do every month. Okay, so no, you don't need to go to the movies every month, and no, you don't need shoes and clothes every month, and no, you're not going to repair your roof every month, or you're not going to have to get your car repaired every month. Okay, so this is at random. This does not happen regularly. Expense happens every month, and they usually come with a due date. Okay? Okay, so let's continue. So I'm going to stop here, and let's go to the next slide.